My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. So let me show you what I have today. Mrs. Nelson from Weston told me, we have 2 dogs and they had accident on the carpet. So we used to call the yellow truck and they used to come over and clean the carpet wall to wall. Now we have Oriental rug in the house and the dog had some accident on. So we bought the Bissell carpet cleaning and it's working great. However, it come to a point then it smells so bad then we cannot take it anymore. We steam the carpet again and again and again. More we steam, it seems like it's smelling worse and we don't know why. We use the right cleaning product what everybody recommend, but it still smell. So we call Stanley Steamer, we call Coit, we call all the major carpet cleaner. They steam the carpet, the Oriental rug, and it still smell. Can you tell me why? What's make your system different than anybody else? Thank you. Let me explain. Cleaning Oriental rug from dirt and soil need a good steam cleaning, and it's perfect. It's working great on dirt and soil. Removing the urine odor, removing the urine crystal, then it's all the way deep inside the bottom of the rug, the area that nobody can reach, must be washed through. The cleaning product have to go from the top to the bottom, through the rug, and flush out all the urine crystal. This is how you will eliminate completely the urine odor. So think about how you can take 10 by 13 Oriental rug. Can you put it under the water, then it will go through? It's impossible. For this reason, we build the PetPeePee machine that's clean the Oriental rug through. We are specialized to clean urine odor more than cleaning the rug from dirt and soil. So flushing all the crystal from deep inside the fiber need a special process. We don't use no soap, no deodorize. So we cannot cover the urine odor for a short period of time. We use totally different cleaning product, then it's odor free. You cannot put Chanel 5 on you after the gym. First take a shower, then you put Chanel 5. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. And my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorized, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guaranteed.
My dog peed on the carpet.